Quebec, where an enchanting 17th century European spirit pervades every quaint alley and cobblestone street. A tantalizing array of shops, galleries, and bistros showcase the broad tastes and charm of this distinctive region. A year-round destination brimming with culture and adventure. In the heart of Old Quebec, mere steps from all major attractions, sits the legendary Fairmont, Chateau Frontenac. Engaging service and world-class amenities guarantee a memorable and inspiring stay. Beyond the refined, authentic decor lies a wealth of modern amenities. Elegant banquet and meeting space with state-of-the-art equipment and a full-service business center assure a successful business or private event, offering newly renovated luxurious guest rooms and suites. Presenting Fairmont Gold, Fairmont's exclusive lifestyle hotel experience. Enjoy the fully equipped health club, pool, steam room, whirlpool, and spa services. Savor the exquisite creations of renowned chef Jean Soulard. Or end your day with a taste of local jazz. Resplendent history, modern character. Quebec's fabled chateau for over 118 years.